So these are ginger plants which we've grown. If you see, this is the ginger plant. So we'll be uprooting them and then we'll use it to make ginger garlic paste. Okay. Here's one. This is one. We'll remove this one also. Here's the other. It's pretty big, I think. It must have got a bit chopped off inside also. We'll leave some of that there. We'll leave some of this here itself, so it will continue to grow again, some of the roots. And I've already removed a few more also here. So this is all the ginger that I've removed so far from a small pot. There's more coming up over here, and then we have another one here. You see this purple thing? Yeah, that's another ginger along with fresh curry patta. We're just removing off the mud first from here, and then we'll take it inside the house and then properly clean it. Others washing it in the sink would get all the mud inside the pipes.
Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसतलीं. आणि आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आले लसणाची पेस्ट. So today I am going to show you how to make homemade ginger garlic paste, which is very important. And as we have shown you all, this is our homegrown ginger, but you can get market ginger. Okay, so I have, my measurement is like this. So 1 cup of ginger, 1 cup of garlic. Okay, we have to mix this and grind this. So if it is 50 grams of ginger, then 50 grams will be, I'm giving you an example, so 50 grams will be garlic. So whatever ratio you are taking, 100 gram ginger, then 100 grams will be garlic. And if you want to make in a larger quantity, then 1 kg of ginger and 1 kg of garlic. So hope it is clear. Nothing. So this is nicely washed. We have to put it in mixer and we have to grind this. Okay, so if needed water, then you can add water, but otherwise try to grind it into a fine paste by giving a slowly to the mixer. So slowly grind korat आणि उदक जाय जाल्यार उदक पण घालूं येता. So here is our ginger garlic paste is ready. So if you don't want to add water to this, then you have to grind it slowly without water, and you can make this fine paste. And ginger should be tender, and it is then easy to make a paste. So hope you all will all make. So हांव कितें म्हणटाली की जर तर तुमकां उदक घालूंक नाका हितून पेस्ट करता तेन्ना, आनी तुमकां खूब दीस दवरूंक जाय जाल्यार इल्लें वांटूंक जाय. म्हणजे हें सगळें हांवें घातलां तें घातलां, पूण मिक्सर जेन्ना आमी हें करतात तेन्ना ऑन करता तेन्ना ऑन करात, पुत्तून मागीर असो दवलो लावन एकठांय करात, पुत्तून बंद करात, पुत्तून ग्रायंड करात. आनी जर तर तुमकां इन्स्टंट तुमकां करून खावंक जाय जाल्यार इल्लेशें उदक घालून तेजी पेस्ट करूं येता. नो प्रॉब्लम. इल्लें हे यू लायक अरावंड 2 कुलेरां उदक घातल्यार पुरो. आनी मारल्या पुरो आनी मागीर ते तुमी प्रिजर्व करून दवरात उपयोग करात. सो होप यू ऑल विल एन्जॉय टू मेक दीस homemade ginger garlic paste. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं.